Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you about how to change alarm sound on iPhone. So whenever you set an alarm on iPhone, it's going to have a default sound, that radar sound that is given to you by Apple. So what if we have to change it? We can just go here and let's just set up a new alarm, and we can select this ringtone from right here. Like I'll go with this one, and then I'll save it. But the issue with this is that if we set a new alarm, then the ringtone is going to be back to default. So we'll have to change it again and again. That's what I meant. Because every new alarm will be set to the alarm sound, the ringtone will be set to the default one that is given to us by Apple. So in order to avoid that, what do we need to do? You can just go here to shortcuts, and here we can set uh, a new automation. Let me just delete this one and put up a new automation. And here we can click on add alarm and set the time to ask each time. Done. And then click on done. Let's just open this up and rename it to it's time to wake up. We have named this automation as it's time to wake up. So if we turn on the Siri and ask Siri that it's time to wake up, let me just do that. Then the Siri is going to ask for a time, and then we can just set the time right away, and the ringtone will be different. Or what we can also do is we can just go here and set the time manually ourselves. For example, I want an alarm for 9:41, and I click on done. Now what we can do is we can just open the alarm clock, and here we have set up an alarm for 9:41. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.